Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, May 6th. I can't believe it's already the 6th of May. And today we're going to focus on some math together. I hope you guys are ready. Today's I can statement says, today I can subtract numbers less than 1,000 and use addition to check my answer. So not only are we going to subtract, but we're also going to use addition to check our answers. And when you can check your answers and get them right, you'll have subtraction correct every single time, which is kind of crazy and also really awesome. So just like me, I have my whiteboard ready. I've got my marker ready. So make sure you have a paper and pencil ready so you can do this with me today. All right. When you do this on your own and you go back to do Nearpod, feel free to go on the subtraction with regrouping fun game to play just for an extra additive and to continue to keep working on these strategies. And by then you'll be able to use addition to check to know that you always have the correct answer in the game. All right, so let's subtract and check together. I'm actually going to, before I even start my problem, I'm actually going to separate my board in half. You can do the same with your, you can do the same with your piece of paper at home. So I'm going to put a check mark on this side. And just like last week, we're going to continue to check our answers. So I'm going to do 375 minus 280. Remember to make sure that everything is lined up, good to go. Okay, so now can I do 5 minus 0? Absolutely, 5 minus 0 is 5. But can I do 7 minus 8? So I'm going to cross that 7 out, put a 17 at the top, cross my 3 out, and make it a 2. 17 minus 8 is 9, giving me the answer of 95, or at least I think that's the answer. But now I'm going to use addition to check just to see if it's actually correct. And remember, we use the two bottom numbers to see if we can get that top number of 375. So 280 plus 95. 0 and 5 is 5. 8 and 9 is 17. Regroup the 1 and circle it. 1 and 2 is 3. 375, 375. So did it check out? Yeah, it did, guys. So remember, when you check your answers, you will always get every single one of your subtraction problems correct. Well, while I'm erasing this, I'm going to have you guys start 741 minus 448. You can pause this video and try it on your own so you don't feel rushed. Always know that. Hit the pause button if you're saying, Miss Morse is going too fast, or I just need an extra time to do so. So I'm going to give you guys a second while I set up my problem, and let's see if we get the same answers. You can go ahead and begin. All right, boys and girls, 741 minus 448. Now, just like last time, I have all my work on both sides. I have my subtraction all lined up correctly on this side, and I have my addition check on the other side. Now, my question to you is, did you get the same answer of 293? I hope you did. I'm sure you did. And if you checked it, 293 plus 448 will give you an answer of 741. Let's do one more to see how smart and how great you guys are as mathematicians. Go ahead and set yourselves up, and I'm going to do the same thing. Again, if you need to pause the video, take some extra time, get a family member to help you, Feel free, but always have your subtraction on one side and your check on the other. All right, boys and girls. Now that you're looking at this, remember that the numbers were 953 minus 673. And I got an answer of 280 when I subtracted that. I had to cross out my 5 and make it a 15 and regroup and make my 8 a 9 and 8 because I knocked on the door and had to add 10 more to my tens column. Over here, I have all my information for my check. 280 plus 673. And guess what, guys? Check, check, check. I got 953, which is what I started out with. So again, the answers were 95, 293, and 280. Now, when you get a chance, I want you guys to go back and do the application problem on your own. Now that we've done some subtraction together, this is actually pretty simple. The problem reads, Katerina earned 16 more stickers than Peter. She earned 35 stickers. How many stickers did Peter earn? Mary Jo earned 47. How many more does Peter need to have the same number as Mary Jo? Now, this is a two-part problem, guys. So look at the first section. Focus on that. Do all your reading, your drawing, and your writing out. Then, once you have everything for that, go back and start with Mary Jo earning 47, and how many more does Peter need to have the same amount? I know you guys can do it. You're very, very bright. But remember, read it twice, draw everything out, and write your sentences at the end. Also continue with the problem set. There's 5 problems, just like you and I did together, where we had to subtract and then use addition to check our answers. Pause it at any time, guys, when you're doing your Nearpod and say, okay, I need some extra time to write these out. There's no time limit, so take your time and be those math wizards I know that you are. Now, on this one, it says, what do you think about having to check your work? Sometimes it makes it easier. Are you getting the right answers now? Do you feel more confident? Let us know, meaning the 4 teachers, let us know how you're feeling about this new strategy and structure that you're using in math. You're using addition to check those subtraction problems within 1,000. Once you're done, take 15 minutes and go on Zern. If you'd rather do Prodigy, do Prodigy. If you'd rather do Freckle, do Freckle. If you'd rather do Math Seeds, do it up. Either way, just spend 15 minutes on your own and continue working hard. On the next slide, just like always, let us know how you're feeling. It helps us in the future to be able to help you guys along. And if you ever need help from us, make sure that you're emailing us or sending messages on Dojo. We are here for you. You're amazing. Keep it up. And I'll be on for Thursday's math lesson in tomorrow. See you then. Bye, guys.